Yeah, you don't know. D-Shade876. Pre the meds now. Up on Google just a while ago and saw this thing. Yeah, special day them said oh. I'm on August 11, 2017, you see me? Koolherc, big up yourself, you see me? Hip hop in Jamaica, we're there, you see me? Live and direct, you see me? Yeah. I'm there going to mix some old school music, you see me? With the Google thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. That one pretty rough one. Yes, I am. Jumping on my bumper with them create. Say me a draw for something. Want to find something like Super 8, but you know, I don't know, I can't find that. You see me? But yeah, this thing bad still, you see me? Yeah man, hip hop in Jamaica. Big up to the whole hip hop industry, you see me? Even though I want to know it for dancehall, reggae music. I want to tell you, say yo, koolherc. You see me? Yeah. Hip hop in Jamaica, you see me? Don't know what heap of rappers out there right now, you see me? But I give shout out to a couple of my friends, them, you see me? Like, you see me? You don't know Cash Capri, you see me? TMO, Image, you see me? GambleG, TSD, No Man Carlos, you see me? 5 Steez, big up yourself, you don't know Fire One, you see me? Whole heap more artists, you see me? Yeah man, whole heap more artists, you see me? Goldy Cash, whole heap more artists, you see me? Master the Creator, you don't know. Crazy artists, you see me? Kabaka Pyramid, crazy people, you see me? Hip hop in Jamaica. Alright, so choose this, I'm gonna drop it over Yassa.
Nice, there you go. That's what I'm talking about, man.
Alright, you see me? I'm going 3. Yeah. It's a word, man. Just a cut and go through. See me, so big up on yourself. Hashtag 876 music. Hashtag hip hop in Jamaica. Hashtag koolherc. Hashtag life and music. You see me? Big up. Hopefulness.